nVent PYROTENAX is developing a series of short videos to help explain the most common codes for critical life safety circuits. In previous videos, we discussed Articles 695 and 700, which details requirements for the electrical supply to fire pumps and other emergency response equipment. Today, we will be discussing the codes governing the electrical supply requirement for emergency response facilities. These are covered by NEC Article 708. These facilities are commonly known as COPs. Article 708 first appeared in NEC 2008. 708 was developed in response to learnings from emergencies such as 9/11, Hurricane Katrina, and Superstorm Sandy. COPs are defined as power systems for facilities or parts of facilities that require continuous operation for the reasons of public safety, emergency management, national security, or business continuity. In addition, the article also defines designated critical operations areas, also known as DCOAs, as areas within a facility or site designated as requiring critical operations power. It's interesting to note that there currently is no national standard for what is or is not considered to be a COPS or a DCOA covered facility. Determination of a COPS or DCOA facility is left to codes, statutes, local governments, authorities, and so on. However, here is a list of candidate facilities that are typically designated as COPs, including hospitals and associated support facilities, chemical, petrochemical, and hazardous materials handling facilities, communication centers, emergency evacuation centers, and municipal infrastructure such as water and sewer treatment facilities, 9/11 centers, and offices and facilities deemed critical to continuity of government. The requirements for electrical supply for COPs are spelled out very clearly in 708, and they are consistent with Articles 695 and 700. Did you know that Article 708 states that 2-hour fire protection for facilities or parts of facilities that require continuous operation for the reasons of public safety, emergency management, national security, or business continuity is required? So this makes Article 708 consistent with Article 695 and 700 in specifying ways to meet the 2-hour operation requirements, including concrete encasement of standard building wire, thermal barriers, and 2-hour fire-rated wiring solutions. We're not going into detail on each of those options here, but to learn more about these options, please check out our videos regarding Articles 695 and 700. However, it is important to note that 708 goes one big step further than 695 and 700 in requiring stringent mechanical protection of electrical feeders. COPS feeder wiring requirement 708.10c1 states, "The wiring of the COPS system shall be protected against physical damage. Wiring methods shall be permitted to be installed in accordance with the following: rigid metal conduit, intermediate metal conduit, or type MI cable." It is critically important to note that 708 specifically does not allow either type MC cable or EMT conduit. Why is type MI cable specifically called out as an allowed option for Article 708 for electrical feeders? Here are just a few of the most important reasons. Number 1, MI cable has inherent superior mechanical strength and ability to withstand extreme conditions and falling debris. As one example, PYROTENAX brand MI cable not only survived the Channel Fire of 1996, but was subsequently used to supply power to clean up and rebuild efforts. PYROTENAX System 1850 is a 2-hour UL listed solution. MI offers at least 2 hours of fire protection versus 2 inches of concrete, which can offer no more than 1 hour protection. Uncontested electrical performance at high temperatures. MI supplies all the power emergency equipment needs, even at elevated fire temperatures. Standard MI cable has an inorganic construction. This means zero smoke, zero flame spread, and zero contribution to fires. MI cable has a long service life. Many installations have been in service for more than 50 years, and MI has an up to 30-year warranty. We hope you found this video interesting and informative, and you now have a better basic understanding of Article 708. To be notified when new videos become available or for additional information regarding nVent PYROTENAX System 1850 solutions, please find us on the web. Thank you.